Okay, this video is a follow-on to my video about the PROPEX heater. One of the features of the PROPEX heater HS2000 is that it has a bit of noise. It's 80 decibels when you're a few inches away from the outlet. I'm going to do some, in this video, I'm going to do some sound measurements. But that apparently can be resolved by using the PROPEX acoustical ducting, which provides noise reduction to the heater. So this video is going to take measurements before I installed it, show how it went in, which is very easy, and then I'll do some measurements after so we can see how much it quiets it down. Nothing better than a good night's sleep with the heater running, and well, I have some contrast in my life right now. This is Greenwich Village, New York, and the other side of my life is out camping in a Teardrop trailer. So I'm making the best of all of it. Click like and give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more of the same. Okay, I'm in the trailer and I have the heat going, and I'm putting a sound meter up here. It's a couple inches away from the duct exit. You can see it's got the aluminized cardboard tubing in there, and this is telling me that we are at 70 decibels when I'm quiet, which is busy traffic or phone ring. So that's where we are with the old tubing, and I'm going to put in the new tubing and see if that helps. It's on, it's generating heat. This is the normal noise level. My Vistabule trailer is a retrofit of the heat. I had mine reinstalled later. When I bought my trailer, they weren't offering the heat, and they were able to put it in this trailer, which is one of the nice things about Vistabule. They can retrofit almost anything. But this is the flexible cardboard tubing, which is like aluminized, and it goes down into where the heater is. I'm going to take this cover off to get access to the heater. Up on top, it attaches here. There's just a screw clamp that attaches to the exhaust port. So here it is. I just disconnected this from up on here. There's a plastic collar inside, which I'm going to take off. So the cover I showed you just lifts off, and down below here is the heater. It was just running. It's cool to the touch. Here's your propane feed, and here's the other end of that card flex ducting. So I'm going to replace that. Down here, this little port here, it's a little dark in here, sorry, but this here little port right here, that is the air intake. Now, they recommend that you put this noise reducing ducting on here also for the intake to reduce the noise even lower. I'll see how much I have left and if I can do that, and I'll do more testing. So let me just take off this clamp and swap in that black acoustical ducting. Here is the new acoustical coupling, acoustic ducting. It is a somewhat fibrous, feels like wool or some high temperature synthetic. And here is the old card, I think this is called card flex, aluminized paper cardboard tubing, which is very common in ducting for RVs. Basically a screw clamp here and a screw clamp here. That's it. I'm going to try and hook up the other one and get the bends and the length right and see how it works. I can tell you, this is a lot quieter. And now, it is whisper quiet. The only noise I hear is down where the fan is in the heater. So this is a success. Westy Ventures is the company that I bought it from. They're the PROPEX importer in the USA. They were very good. I ordered it. They sent me a PayPal bill via email, and I paid it, and they had it to me in a couple of days. I think I ordered it on Monday or Tuesday. Today is Friday and I have it. They sent it priority mail. Very good service, excellent service. If you're looking to quiet down the noise from your heater, your PROPEX HS2000 heater, this is a good way to do it. All you do is change the ducting to this stuff from that stuff. So and I'm pretty happy. All it took was a screwdriver and a razor knife, a box cutter razor knife type thing, to install this. I think just about anybody could do this. It's noticeably quieter. I don't care what this meter says. It's way better. And I don't hear the roar of the flames as much. That seems to have improved also. So evidently that was just transporting that sound up here. For everybody who's about to warn me that I'm going to suffocate, this is a heat exchanger heater. It draws in air from the outside, burns it in a combustion chamber, and sends that out the side of the trailer. That combustion chamber is separate from the hot air, the heat exchanger, which is just sending hot air in here. So there's no risk of suffocating here. Nobody's died with a PROPEX heater, unlike Mr. Buddy. Very safe heater. That doesn't exclude you from having a carbon monoxide detector. I have to give these public service warnings, otherwise I'll get like tons of comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe and click a thumbs up.